In this video, I'll show you how to fix Brawl Stars getting stuck on the loading screen, especially at 87%. First, try refreshing your internet connection. Turn airplane mode on for a few seconds, then turn it off and reconnect to Wi-Fi or mobile data. After that, launch Brawl Stars again. If the issue continues, open your device settings, tap on Apps, select Brawl Stars, then open Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache and restart the game. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of Brawl Stars. Open the Play Store, search for Brawl Stars, and install any available updates. If none of these steps work, the problem may be related to the game servers. When this happens, many players can experience the same loading issue at the same time. In that case, the best option is to wait a few hours and try again later. And that's how you can fix Brawl Stars stuck on the loading screen. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide.